the exit and start reversing out. Like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? It's a 5-minute traffic jam. Wow, this dude literally just made a U-turn. He's going up the exit. Oh my gosh, these people are genius. Look at this shit. Oh my god, look, another guy. He's like, oh, I guess. Who else? Who's next? Who's next? Unbelievable.
그 영수증을 해가지고 나한테 보내주고 조지 지금 다시 전화할게.
First 15 are pretty solid. 20 starts getting a little slow. Those last 2 or 3, it picks up. The arm shaking. Yeah. But she's like, fuck you. Fuck you.
Did we have a red?
Yeah, I don't know if he touched or not.
Yeah, I don't think we did. So you got kids in the back? You
Yeah.
guys good? Is kid okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. I don't know if,
I mean,
We had a green.
yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, guys.
no, I mean, fine, you know, we
Huge eye-opener. I don't know.
didn't hit, so.
Yeah, well,
No.
thankfully, I mean, it would have been my fault regardless. But...
Croissant, free at Wendy's, free Friday and Saturday, free August 13th and 14th.
Yo, holy f***.
One per person per day for this payment.
The other way. Kip hated Ram. When Ram ran, it was like watching a hunting hound speed after a deer, all proud lean muscles and flowing strength. When Issa ran, it was like watching the deer flee, all easy grace and surprising speed. Kip running was like a milk cow lumbering out to pasture. Still, no one was expecting him. He made it to Ram's body and
Блять, ёбаный в рот. Нихуя себе, блять. Ты, блять, слепой, что ли? Ёб твою мать, нахуй.
Hiking insurance stores. Hackers on the same network can gain access to your personal data, passwords, financial details. Be friendly. Leave. With the right software, a 12-year-old could hack you and
huh? Nah, get up next.
Right. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Did you just tell me to watch the road?
No, you say sorry.